Hi friends, welcome to Abhi's Food Villa. I'm Abhi. So today I'm preparing an iconic dish from Mumbai and hugely popular all over India, which is the pav bhaji. So I have been preparing this pav bhaji with my mom since years. So this is my style of pav bhaji, which is very simple to prepare and super duper yummy at the same time. I hope you'll enjoy this pav bhaji recipe. If you enjoy the recipe of pav bhaji, then don't forget to hit that like button and share button so that you can share this recipe with your friends and family. And if you are new to my channel, then hit that subscribe button to get more videos from my channel, and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload any new video. So do it as quick as possible. So let's get into the preparation of pav bhaji. So here I am taking one medium potato, one carrot which are peeled and chopped, cauliflower and 3 to 4 tomatoes which are roughly chopped. Now we are going to boil the potato, carrot, cauliflower and tomatoes in a pressure cooker. Add salt along with it and pressure cook it on a medium to low flame for about 3 to 4 whistles. So I have cooked these vegetables, so you can see it is hot and soft. While it is hot, you need to mash this using a pav bhaji masher. If you don't have a pav bhaji masher, you can use a glass or a spoon to do this. Now let's prepare the bhaji. For that I am taking a pan. Into it I am adding 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of oil into the butter and spread it all across the pan. Now we are adding 3 to 4 green chilies which are finely chopped and ginger. You can even add the ginger garlic paste. Fry them a bit till the raw taste of the ginger goes off. Now I am adding the finely chopped onion. Saute them for a while. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric along with it, and saute these till they turn a slightly golden color. So now I'm adding the pre-boiled and mashed vegetables into the pan. Make sure you're cooking this on a medium to low flame. Mix everything well and close it off with a lid and cook this for about 2 minutes. Once again, give it a quick mix. So you can use a pav bhaji masher if you need to mash it more. Now into this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of pav bhaji masala. Mix the masala well into the veggies. Now into this I'm adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Give this a quick mix. So cover it with a lid so that all the masala gets perfectly coated with the veggies. So if the bhaji is too thick, add some water, as we don't want our bhaji to be thick at the time of serving. So here I'll be adding some salt, but make sure you add salt only if needed, as we have already added salt at the time of boiling the veggies and also at the time of sauteing the onions. So make sure you add salt only if required. Meanwhile, I'm going to toast the pav. For that I'm adding 1 teaspoon of butter. Take a pav and cut it horizontally and place it on the tawa upside down. That is, inside of the pav should be on the tawa, and add some butter to toast this on the both sides. If you don't have a pav, you can use a regular sandwich bread. So now finally add some fresh coriander leaves and mix the bhaji well, and it is ready to serve. So serve this pav and bhaji right away with some butter tossed on the top of the bhaji, and also serve it with finely chopped onions and lemon, and add anything you wish to add. So enjoy this bhaji with your friends and family. I hope you like this video of pav bhaji? If yes, click that like button immediately and share the recipe with your friends and family. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel Abhi's Food Villa. So I'm enjoying my pav bhaji. So why late? Go prepare this pav bhaji and let me know in the comment section how did you like the taste of the pav bhaji and how did you like the recipe of this pav bhaji in the comment section. So you can also follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook page to get many more easy and quick recipe videos, and also I'll be sharing some of the skincare, hair care and product reviews on my pages, so do check them out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, this is Abhi signing off. Stay home, stay safe and happy cooking.